It's Actualina here again. Happy New Year. It's another tutorial. This one's called How to Disappear Completely. The first thing you have to do in order to disappear completely is concentrate. Like this. Now, some people consider this some sort of occult practice or dark art. Others know that it might be movie magic. And you don't only have the power to disappear yourself, you can also disappear other kinds of objects. This is garlic. Garlic is used in cooking. It's always there to provide a delicious result. Let's watch this garlic disappear, shall we? Wow, that's amazing. Did you know that some people believe that garlic is part of a worldwide conspiracy? That's right. Children are given garlic, and it affects their brains, and they become brainwashed by the government. Now, what is this belief that people have about these children becoming brainwashed by garlic? Well, it's a kind of disinformation campaign. And that's the kind of stuff that gets passed around on the internet, in chat rooms and Usenet. Well, I thought to combat some of the misinformation, we could call up my friend, Misinformation, and see if she can help us to separate fact from fiction.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Misinformation?
Hi, yes.
This is Actualina.
Oh, hi, actually.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
I was just trying to teach some people about making things disappear
Oh, I love
and
that.
magic,
Mm.
and I thought you could help me dispel some myths about garlic
Miss, what miss?
being used to brainwash children.
I don't have any children.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
garlic,
Yeah, what?
what do you know?
Well, yeah, it's the government.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
I know.
So it's a conspiracy inside a conspiracy.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Well-
inside of one.
While we're on the subject,
Yeah.
is soap made out of radioactive dirt?
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh
I
my.
know. Yeah, I should tell you.
Yes,
You shouldn't use it.
and?
You shouldn't use soap.
I see.
Yeah, it's
Well,
not.
While we're on the subject,
Yeah.
are potatoes actually alien beings
Mm.
who live in the soil?
Yeah, same as the soap thing. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Misinformation.
What?
I believe that I'm taking up too much of your time.
Oh, well, we just started talking.
Yes, I know, but
Well,
I
you
have
just
to go
call
now.
me and get my answers and leave? How rude is that?
Well, I don't see why that's such a big deal.
Yes, because you call me and get my answers, and then you
misinformation.
have to talk
Please.
a little bit more to me to show me some respect. I mean, it's not
All right,
really...
I need to go.
I'm not sure who else
keeping me
is
on
going
the
to call
phone.
you and talk to you like that. My goodness, it's just ridiculous.
All right.
I think maybe next time you should at least tell me something
Goodbye.
interesting instead.
Misinformation just goes on and on. It's not like I really needed to have the whole answer. She could have just said yes or no. Some people. Anyway, let's make this potato disappear. Amazing! What will they think of next? This is really fun. Well, all you need to disappear is a little bit of resolve. Do you think we're really allowed to believe whatever we want? Well, I guess we are. But these days we just choose our own evidence. What are we going to do? Oh. It's still there, but strangely different. Oh well. If you've learned something today, why not click the subscribe button, and then the like button, and the bell button. That will tell you when I have another video coming out. Well, Happy New Year. Until next time, it's Actualina. Bye.